Vitalik Buterin just joined Elon Musk to assist with the Shiba Inu's ascent. Shib News. With the appropriate investment, the Bitcoin market may surely make you wealthy. Meme coins have repeatedly shown their ability to bring in a large amount of money for dealers. Not all meme coins, however, make wise investments. Without even mentioning scams and short-term growth ventures, some are just intended for quick expansion. In this video, we'll discuss how Vitalik Buterin just joined Elon Musk to support the skyrocketing popularity of Shiba Inus. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. A breakthrough led to the creation of the Shiba Inu coin. Whatever the case, Shiba Inu had a successful year in 2021 that greatly increased the fortune of many early investors. Sadly, there isn't much to laugh about in this crypto winter, as investors focus on projects with real use and profitability instead than meme currencies. A currency called Shiba Inu was developed in reaction to Dogecoin's success. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao has made comments on the company's quick demise days after publishing a tweet storm that sparked a bank run on the now bankrupt FTX exchange. Zhao contributed to a conversation about FTX's industry-shaking bankruptcy on a Monday Twitter space organized by Binance. Following the discovery of the company's insolvency on Friday, FTX filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Binance indicated interest in purchasing the exchange, but later abandoned the deal owing to due diligence concerns. Later, it came to light that former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried had, after Terra's collapse, covertly transferred $10 billion in client cash to save his trading company Alameda Research. Zhao underlined the need for more industry openness in his response to the issue. "The more openness we can get, the better," he remarked. Following FTX's demise, Binance revealed its cryptocurrency holdings in a blog post. The top exchange in the world has also stated intentions to provide verification of the cash listed on its balance sheet. Zhao said on the Spaces call that Vitalik Buterin, the man of Ethereum, has agreed to develop the Proof of Reserves protocol, which would test it on the financial sector. Elon Musk, the richest man in the world and the new CEO of Twitter, believes Bitcoin will survive the long crypto winter. The decision to integrate a cryptocurrency wallet inside Twitter's platform has been postponed, however. This is mostly a result of the new CEO's decision to fire more than 50% of the workforce. The Twitter wallet seemed to be disappearing in the midst of the turmoil in the aid industry. Even still, it gets a lot of social media attention since crypto Twitter is in dire need of a boost after the FTX disaster. Additionally, when the cryptocurrency Twitter wallet project was delayed, Elon Musk's beloved parody currency Dogecoin immediately rebounded to the crucial resistance level of $0.08. However, as well-known crypto influencer Doge creator correctly said, Twitter and Doge integration is unavoidable, Musk stated in a recent Twitter Spaces appearance. Well, there are several things that we are now looking at. Twitter just needs to nail the fundamentals, with Musk yelling Dogecoin to the moon and explaining why Twitter didn't sign a contract with SBF of the defunct FTX. Because the former leader gave off negative vibrations, the plans were once again certain. Recently, speakers on the platform discussed SBF, Twitter, and Doge. One of the suggested points is Doge to the moon, which is fascinating. Second, SBF wanted to invest in Twitter, but sent out extremely negative signals. Third, if it's not your wallet, it's not your key. What stood out to you? The pseudonymous primary creator of Shiba Inu, Satoshi Kazama, Mario Nofel at Mario Nofel, recently sent out a cryptic tweet that had the Shib community wondering what it may be about. Kazama said in the tweet that the first design had been accepted. Following the first design approval, we can now double down and let the debris to reveal itself as the flow of compassion and truth washes over the planet, the chief developer of the cryptocurrency with a canine theme said. Shiba Inu community members have started speculating about the project the main developer is alluding to in the comments area after Kazama released the cryptic statement. Many Shiba Inu fans think Kusama alludes to the eagerly awaited Layer 2 scaling solution known as Shibarium. Shiba Inu lovers could reasonably assume that Kusama's enigmatic statement refers to Shibarium. One of the community's and the SHIB development team's key goals recently has been the L2 network scalability solution. Kusama said he has finished the Shiba Eternity Player's Guide and is currently working on Shibarium. The reason Kusama is now concentrating on Shibarium will be covered in a blog post, he promised. Kusama has not yet published the blog entry yet. The environment of the Shiba Inu includes Shibarium. All Shiba Inu goods, including SHIB tokens, SHIB Metaverse Shiboshi, the project's non-fungible tokens, etc., are predicted to end up on the L2 network. The scaling solution, which is being developed in partnership with Unification, is anticipated to have characteristics in terms of security, scalability, and operability that are comparable to those of Polygon. The community has been looking forward to the debut of Shibarium because of these alluring aspects. The development team hasn't said anything, however, about Shibarium's precise release date. By the end of September 2023, Shibarium Alpha and the public testnet will be operational, according to a prior statement by Unification. Unfortunately, the project did not begin as planned, which resulted in harsh criticism from Shiba Inu fans. Kusama said Shiba Inu failed to provide the launch date for the Shibarium public beta in response to the criticism. Shiba Inu does not provide dates for the launch of new initiatives, he continued. The L2 scaling solution, according to the Shibarium development team, will launch shortly. The crypto community has to realize that supply plus demand raises prices and equates to keeping without the option of selling, according to the SHIB burn site. That is what raises the cost. Burning is the same as purchasing $100 worth of tokens and never selling them since they are permanently locked. When a team's supply is in the quadrillions, imagine informing their investors that burning has no impact on the price. At Shibburn November 14, 2022, given that the SHIB community is one of the most active on Twitter, it is not surprising that fresh ideas for setting it on fire keep emerging. For instance, Shibburn Radio just created an app for iOS and Android that makes a daily shitburn commitment as the listenership increases. On the other side, there is SHIB Superstore, which use Amazon to plan weekly ship burning events. To provide an example, on November 13, 2022, the SHIB Superstore destroyed SHIB tokens valued $22,322. Additionally, in the previous 24 hours, $53,087,618 worth of tokens were set on fire in only 2 transactions. There have been 2 transactions and a total of 53,087,618 SHIB tokens burned during the last 24 hours. For information on the overall amount of hashtag SHIB tokens burned, available supply, and more, see this site. Tag the following event. SHIB Army Shibburn on November 16, 2022. Since more than half of SHIB's supply has already been withdrawn from use, the prospective expansion of SHIB's burning mechanism might lead to another bull run for the well-known meme currency. Shiba Inu achieves a significant milestone using this criteria as SHIB nears critical price. Army large holdings of Shiba Inu SHIB community SHIB seem to have moved on the marketplaces in the previous day. A staggering 51% of this total are holders or long-term holders. With the proportion of investors who have held onto their assets for more than a year now outpacing short and medium-term speculators, SHIB has established a new record in this statistic. SHIB holders retain their tokens for an average of 51% more than a year, 43% within a year, and 6% for less than a month, according to the block statistics on holder composition by time held. Even if it may not have an immediate effect on pricing, the number of holders does indicate a long-term interest in an item. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.